Write a code in a system of your choice uh, in which a sphere is displayed as a simple game for the player who is able to at least move the space around, turning around the sphere, which obviously doesn't seem to make much change. But exactly for this reason, the sphere has a pattern on it. That pattern should be a cute animal to start with, and that should be able to uh, do things with the help of the mouse cursor in a in the three-dimensional space, in some creative way. So turning around might be when I keep the right button pressed, turning around in all directions, and when I let it go, then the cursor turns into a poking hand or something, and it manipulates the sphere, which obviously to start with can't do much more than maybe turn upside down. Now, a task like turn upside down or anything else appears on the left side as an icon with a flexible arrangement and in a flexible number. Maybe a few basic movement should do to start with, and the player chooses one position that he or she wants to achieve, and then using the spatial rotation tool, which is the mouse, when the right button is constantly pushed, or just poking the object in the desired direction, which obviously turns around in some way. Uh, it should probably, the movement should probably stop automatically, so I wouldn't find it very useful to go around as a real life object in the space would do. It doesn't. It just shouldn't just keep going around and around. I think we should be able to push it, and it turns like upside down and stays like that. When this position is reached, then we click the POW icon, which is a positive feedback to the dog, and this is going to be a dog. And to start with, and we should be able to. I should be able to come up with a solution to be able to learn that and achieve the same position later on when only the button is pushed, like turnaround button, push the turnaround button, and it after some time, in order to get the power button push, which is the only guiding spirit of this sphere or dog or whatever. We are basically teaching it, we are training it to do what we tell it to do, and when it starts to be obedient as a sphere, and the obedience is proven because it could reach all positions without our cursor help, just by pushing the turnaround button. It will turn around, and we click the power button again, obviously. If it doesn't, and it does a very bad then we might have a bad boy as water spray button to punish it, because it was my daughter's special request, so that it can be also punished, but I'm not so sure that it's an ethical decision at this point.